Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video. For the first time, I'm going to demonstrate a project for CS50. I'm taking web development with JavaScript and Python from a course from Harvard. So this is like one of the beginning project to be done in the course, and there's a lot more to be accomplished along the way. And before I get into the demonstration, I'm gonna give a little summary of what the demonstration is all about. This project is called Project Zero. This project is to develop our own Google search front end, or also known as design, the design of the web page. And by studying the Google interface itself, and not only that, we are also have to recognize the Google get parameter search, and we needed to implement it into our own Google search website code, that is the HTML and CSS. So that is all for the summary. Let's get to it. Let's get to the demonstration.
Okay, this is the first page of the demonstration. We have three pages, that is the Google search, the Google image search, and lastly will be the Google advanced search. So if you type here, we go to the query text, that is the Google search. Google search, if you type the input Harvard, it will actually look up Harvard and it will show the search that you are looking for. And if you go to the query image and then you actually input Harvard, and it actually show Harvard image. And if let me give you another example. If you actually search for Naruto image, it will show Naruto image. So yeah, next we will go to the query advanced, that is the Google advanced search. At the same time, you actually input directory. I'm gonna put fantasy. It's so fun. Rodent, but it doesn't have anything to do with it. So yeah, it will show the advanced search of Google. It's like you actually, it depends on what you don't want it to, you don't want to search, and yes, you want to search. Yeah. So the apprentice that I actually did is to minimize it. If you look here, this is a minimized page. If I shrink it, the page will follow and it will shrink to small size. Shrink to small size. And if I go back to Google search, there's a button that's called I'm feeling lucky. If I input Harvard, it actually supposed to show the Harvard URL, but it doesn't show. It actually show to this redirect notice. I don't know why, but yeah, it's supposed to go directly to this web page for I'm lucky button. But some reason people still can't actually figure out, even I can't figure out why, but it says there's an update in the Google JavaScript implementation, something about that. Yeah, so that is all. This is a simple Google search, Google image search and advanced search. Well, hope you like it, and see you again.